key adjustments after game one that you will attribute to this victory?
I think the biggest impact tonight is our defense, and because we have a lot of energy and focus sa game, and because of the last game, we're not that kind of energy and focus sa game, and makikita mo yung intensity ng player. So we're able to match up the energy of our opponent, and then yun, talent nag-prevail, especially si Don Trollano, and then at the same time, so laging binabanggit natin yung bench namin, and they contributed heavily. Okay, unlike last game talagang 30% lang. Ngayon, I think this 50, 65 at saka 46 guys, so napakalaki yun. But because of the effort, we out-rebounded them, unlike nung first game, they out-rebounded us in spite na we're the leading rebounding team in the league after the elimination. But credit to the players because they are so focused today.
Thank you, Coach Leo. We're now opening the floor to the media.
Congratulations Coach, nung team number 1, more than 50% ng production ng the offensive side of team ngayon. Tonight, yung mga perimeter players mo na-deliver, especially Don Soliano, adjustments to make sure they were able to contribute this time, especially ay bumuka sa 0-2.
It's very obvious yung last game namin. So 11 out of 45 yung guards namin, especially yung mga women, and that's a huge asset back para sa amin. Usually yung bench namin minsan malaki pa ang production sa bench sa starter, and I think they are so focused with this game dahil makikita mo naman na sa dugout, they are so quiet and then thinking of something.
Coach, hindi lang po yung Rodney, seems like yan, hindi ba for himself, naging findings sa...
Yeah, we don't know yet, but i-assess ng mga PT namin, but it will be a huge impact para sa amin kung hindi siya makakalaro because when it comes to hustle, na andyan siya lagi makakasama siya, and sometimes umi-score pa siya, Unfortunately kanina, so accidentally naapakan yung paano isang player nila, but I hope na minor lang ito, and then magagaling naman yung PT namin, bahala na sila para makabalik ito sila.
Congratulations. 2 points tonight. Doon, siyempre madaming usapan about those starters sa game 1. Paano mo na pagpag-yun at nag-focus ka dito na makita sa game 2?
Yung mindset ko na talaga bumawi. Kasi yun nga yung game 1, pangit yung laro ko. Iniisip ko lang talaga, hindi kami pwedeng madaw ng 2 game. So, ginawa ko lang ang best ko para makatulong sa team.
Coach, isa sa mga adjustments mo was to insert Wami Johnson sa starting lineup and you responded with 9 points sa first half. Ano masasabi mo sa pinakita niya?
Yeah, amin naman, alam natin na nilalaro niya before this playoff. Gusto ko lang bigyan ng kumpiyansa because I know he could help a lot. And besides, alam natin si Chris Roses is not 100% So they start, and at the same time, he's a threat anytime he's open So, floor spacer din siya dahil kung meron kang big man na pinupuntahan, so malilimit yung help from the guard or the wingman because everybody's a threat from the perimeter. And maganda kay Wami, everyday naman nakita natin siya na talagang hindi nawawala siya, and then he don't care kung gamitin siya o hindi, but he keeps on getting in shape.
Sabi mainit yung mga huling sakrit ng laro. Lalo ko for play-out sa game 3 on Sunday.
Well, it's I think it's a matter of how hungry we are and they are, and then I'm expecting it will be an exciting game dahil 1-1 this is na-reduce na sa best of 5 and game 1 for the best of 5 is really crucial but we don't know yet kung ano ibibigay nila, but as far as these two games concerned, binibigay nila yung premium nila dito sa defense. And the mere fact na talagang nagtatrap sila sa amin, I think that is one of their surprise sa amin. And then last game namin, ganun din ginawa nila, talagang full court man-to-man. And then mabuti na lang, we have big leads, yung 24 points namin na-cut down to 10. Fortunately, andito si Dodd nag-perform para sa amin. And then, siguro gusto bumawi yung last game niya. Congrats Dodd. Oh,
Doon, after kung magandang performance mo, gano'n kalaking taas sa kumpiyansa mo ko na yung tabla na series, game 3, init na yung laban.
For me naman, hindi ko na iniisip kung compare yung mga confidence na ganyan. Basta ako, ginagawa ko lang yung trabaho ko sa game. Hindi man ako makascore, mabawi ko naman sa defense sa marami mga aspect ng game. So yun ginagawa ko lang talaga yung job ko.
Alright, that answer. Thank you so much and congratulations, gentlemen.
thank you.